Have you ever found yourself in a conversation, translating every single word from your native language into English in your head? You know all the grammar rules, your vocabulary is pretty good, but when you speak, it just sounds a little stiff, a little too much like a textbook. What if I told you the secret to sounding natural isn't about learning thousands of new words, but about using the right words in the right combinations? Native speakers use short, common phrases all day long without even thinking about it. These are the phrases that make conversations flow smoothly. Today, we're going to unlock that secret. I'm going to teach you 50 of these essential phrases, explain exactly what they mean, and show you how to start using them immediately. Stick with me and you'll be speaking more naturally and confidently by the end of this video. Welcome! In today's lesson, we're diving deep into the phrases that form the backbone of everyday English. These are short, easy-to-remember expressions that will help you talk about your daily life from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep. We're going to cover everything. I'll explain each phrase in simple, clear language. Then I'll give you a few different examples so you can see how it's used in a real conversation. I encourage you to repeat the phrases and examples after me. The more you practice saying them out loud, the more natural they will feel. We'll break this down into a few sections to make it easier to follow. Morning routines, work and productivity, social life, and finally winding down in the evening. Are you ready to sound more natural in English? Let's begin. Part 1. The morning rush. Our day begins in the morning, so let's start with the phrases you'll hear and use before you even leave the house. 1. To sleep in. This simply means to wake up later than usual on purpose. It's what you do on weekends. Example 1. I have to wake up at 6 a.m. every weekday, so I love sleeping in on Saturdays. Example 2. Are you going to sleep in tomorrow or do you have plans? Example 3. She was so tired from the trip, I told her to just sleep in. Number 2. Drag yourself out of bed. This phrase means to get out of bed with great difficulty, usually because you are very tired or don't want to start the day. Example 1. The alarm went off, but I couldn't drag myself out of bed. Example 2. On Monday mornings, it's always a struggle to drag myself out of bed. Example 3. He finally dragged himself out of bed around 10 a.m. Number 3. Up and about. Once you're out of bed and moving around, you are up and about. It means you're awake and active. Example 1. I'm not a morning person. It takes me an hour before I'm truly up and about. Example 2. By 7, my kids are already up and about making noise in the kitchen. Example 3. He was sick last week, but I'm happy to see he's up and about again. 4. Throw something on. This means to put on clothes very quickly and casually, without much thought. Example 1. I was running late, so I just threw on a t-shirt and jeans. Example 2. Just throw on a hoodie and let's go. We don't need to dress up. Example 3. She only had 5 minutes, so she threw on the first dress she saw. 5. Splash water on your face. This is exactly what it sounds like. You wash your face quickly with water, usually to help you wake up. Example 1. I felt so sleepy, so I went to the bathroom to splash some cold water on my face. Example 2. The first thing I do every morning is splash water on my face to feel fresh. Example 3. After the long flight, he needed to splash some water on his face. 6. Grab a bite. This is a very common, informal way to say you're going to get something to eat, usually a quick and small meal. Example 1. I'm getting hungry. Do you want to grab a bite before class? Example 2. Let's grab a bite on the way to the airport. Example 3. We didn't have time for a full dinner, so we just grabbed a bite at a cafe. 7. Skip breakfast. This means to not eat breakfast. Example 1. I was running so late that I had to skip breakfast. Example 2. Some people skip breakfast because they aren't hungry in the morning, but I always feel awful later if I do. Example 3. She usually skips breakfast during the week to save time. 8. Chug your coffee. To chug something means to drink it very quickly, all at once, without stopping. People often chug their coffee when they are in a rush. Example 1. I had to chug my coffee so I wouldn't be late for the meeting. Example 2. She chugged 2 coffees every morning just to wake up. Example 3. Don't chug your tea while it's that hot. 9. Whip up something to eat. This means to cook or prepare a meal very quickly and easily. Example 1. I didn't have much time, so I just whipped up some eggs for breakfast. Example 2. She's great at whipping up a quick and delicious pasta dish. Example 3. Let's see what's in the fridge. I'm sure we can whip something up. 10. Fuel up for the day. This means to eat food to get the energy you need for the day ahead, like putting fuel in a car. Example 1. I need a big breakfast to properly fuel up for the day. Example 2. He fueled up with a big bowl of oats before his long run. Example 3. Let's stop here and fuel up before we continue our drive. Part 2. Getting around and getting to work. 1501 to 30. Now that we're ready, let's talk about leaving the house and navigating the world of work and appointments. Many videos focus on advanced English conversation, but mastering these simple travel and work phrases is a huge step forward.
11. Head out the door. This is a casual way to say leave. You can leave your house, your office, or any place. Example 1. I grabbed my bag and headed out the door. Example 2. What time do you usually head out the door in the morning? Example 3. She headed out the door at 6 sharp to avoid traffic. 12. Hop on the bus. To hop on means to get on a form of public transport, like a bus, train, or subway, usually quickly and casually. Example 1. I was running late, but I managed to hop on the bus just in time. Example 2. Let's just hop on the next train that arrives. Example 3. We hopped on the bus to go downtown. 13. Beat the traffic. This means leaving early to avoid the busiest time on the roads, often called rush hour. Example 1. I left home at 6 a.m. to beat the traffic. Example 2. She always tries to beat the traffic by finishing work a little early. Example 3. If we leave now, we might beat the traffic. 14. Run late. This phrase means you're behind schedule and will likely arrive late. Example 1. Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in about 15 minutes. Example 2. He's always running late for our meetings. Example 3. The project is running late and we need to speed things up. 15. Make good time. This is the opposite of running late. It means you are traveling faster than you expected and will likely arrive early. Example 1. There was no traffic, so we made good time and got here early. Example 2. We made really good time on our drive to the coast. Example 3. If we make good time, we'll be there before sunset. Alright, we're making great progress. If you're finding these phrases useful and want to have them all in one place to practice anytime, I've created a special PDF file just for you. It includes all 50 phrases from this video, the full text and script, extra example sentences, and even a little quiz at the end to test your knowledge. This is a fantastic resource for practicing on the go. You can download it from my website at www.englishunleashed.com/shop. The link is also in the description below. It's a great way to support this channel and supercharge your learning. Okay, let's get back to it. Part 3. At the office and getting things done. These next phrases are perfect for the workplace or any situation where you need to be productive. 16. Get cracking on something. This means to start doing something quickly and with energy. Example 1. Okay, team, we have a lot to do. Let's get cracking. Example 2. I need to get cracking on this report if I want to finish it today. Example 3. It's time to get cracking on our homework. 17. Plow through work. Imagine a plow clearing snow. It's powerful and moves steadily forward. This phrase means to work through a large amount of difficult or boring work in a determined way. Example 1. I have so many emails to answer. I just need to plow through them. She plowed through all the paperwork in one afternoon.
He had to plow through a lot of reading for his exam. 18. Knock out a task. This means to complete a task quickly and efficiently. It's similar to plow through, but often for a single, specific task. Example 1. Let's knock out this project before we take a break. Example 2. I knocked out the report in just under an hour. Example 3. I want to knock out my emails first thing in the morning. 19. Be snowed under. This means you have a very large amount of work to do and feel overwhelmed, as if you are buried in snow. Example 1. I can't go out tonight. I'm completely snowed under with work. She's been snowed under with deadlines all week. Sorry, I'm just getting back to you. I've been snowed under.
20. Wrap things up. This means to finish something, like a meeting, a project, or the workday. The W in wrap is silent. Example 1. Okay, it's almost 5 p.m. Let's wrap things up for the day. Example 2. We need to wrap up this meeting in the next 10 minutes. Example 3. He wrapped things up at the office and went home early. 21. Get the ball rolling. This means to start a process or activity. Example 1. Let's get the ball rolling on this new project. Example 2. Who wants to get the ball rolling and share their idea first? 22. Touch base. This means to make contact with someone briefly to get an update or check in. Example 1. I just wanted to touch base and see how the project is going. Example 2. Let's touch base next week to discuss our progress. 23. On the same page. If people are on the same page, it means they have the same understanding or agree on something. Example 1. Before we continue, I want to make sure we're all on the same page. Example 2. Great, it sounds like we're on the same page about the deadline.
24. Think outside the box. This means to think creatively and unconventionally, not in the usual way. Example 1. To solve this problem, we need to think outside the box. Example 2. She's a great designer because she always thinks outside the box. Part 4. Evening, relaxation, and socializing. 4501 to 5900. After a long day, it's time to relax. You'll find that many guides on how to speak English fluently emphasize that fluency is also about casual, social language. These phrases will help you with that. 25. Kick back and relax. This means to stop working and relax. It has a very casual, easygoing feel. Example 1. After a long week, I just want to kick back and relax. Example 2. On vacation, he loves to kick back by the pool with a book. Example 3. Let's kick back and watch a movie tonight. 26. Catch up on a show. This means to watch episodes of a TV show that you have missed. Example 1. I was busy all week, so this weekend I need to catch up on my favorite show. Example 2. Let's catch up on the last season before the new one starts. Example 3. He spent the evening catching up on a new series. 27. Crash out. This means to fall asleep very quickly because you are extremely tired. I was so tired after the gym that I crashed out on the sofa. He crashed out at 10 p.m. and didn't wake up until morning. I think I'm just going to go home and crash out. 28. Doze off. This means to fall asleep slowly and unintentionally, often for a short time, perhaps while watching TV or reading. The movie was so boring that I dozed off halfway through. He dozed off on the train and missed his stop. I was trying to read, but I kept dozing off. 30. Call it a night. This means to decide to stop what you were doing for the rest of the night and usually go home or go to bed. I'm exhausted. I think I'm going to call it a night. Let's have one more drink and then call it a night. We've been studying for hours. Let's call it a night. 30. Freshen up. This means to quickly wash your face, brush your teeth, or fix your hair to feel cleaner and more refreshed. I'm just going to freshen up a bit for dinner. She went to freshen up after her workout. Let me freshen up and I'll be ready to go. 31. Wind down. To relax and become calm after a period of activity or stress. Example 1. I like to wind down with some music after a busy day. Example 2. She finds it hard to wind down after work. Example 3. Reading a book is a great way to wind down before bed. 32. Crawl into bed. To get into bed slowly, usually because you are extremely tired. Example 1. It had been such a long day, I couldn't wait to crawl into bed. Example 2. She crawled into bed and fell asleep immediately. Example 3. All I want to do is crawl into bed with a cup of tea. 33. Drift off to sleep. This is a gentle way of saying you are slowly falling asleep. Example 1. I was listening to the rain and slowly drifted off to sleep. Example 2. He drifted off to sleep during the film. Example 3. She loves to drift off to sleep while listening to a podcast. 34. Catch up. To talk to someone you haven't seen for a while and find out what they have been doing. Example 1. We should get coffee soon and catch up. Example 2. It was great to catch up with old friends at the reunion. 35. Hang out. A very informal way to say spend time together without any specific plan. Example 1. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Example 2. We just hung out at my place and watched some movies. 36. I'm swamped. This is another way to say I'm snowed under. It means you are extremely busy. Example 1. I can't take on any more projects right now. I'm totally swamped. Example 2. She's swamped with studying for her final exams. 37. It's on me. This phrase means I will pay for it. You can use it when offering to pay for a meal, coffee, or tickets. Example 1. Don't worry about the bill. It's on me. Example 2. You paid last time, so this coffee is on me. 38. Hit the sack. This is a very informal slang term for go to bed. Example 1. It's getting late. I think I'm going to hit the sack. Example 2. He decided to hit the sack early because he had to be up at 5 a.m. Part 5. General conversation fillers. 59:01 to 10 hour. 39. Long time no see. Said when you meet someone you haven't seen in a long time. What have you been up to? A casual way to ask someone what they've been doing recently. Can't complain. A response to how are you? That means things are going well. So far, so good. Used to say that a process has been successful up to this point. Take it easy. A way of saying goodbye and relax. Sleep on it. To delay making a decision until the next day. Break a leg. A way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. Under the weather. To feel slightly ill. On the fence. To be undecided about something. It's not rocket science. A phrase meaning something is not difficult to understand. Bite the bullet. To decide to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. The best of both worlds. A situation where you can enjoy the advantages of two very different things at the same time. And there you have it. 50 real, natural English expressions that people use every single day. Great job today. You've learned about phrases for every part of your daily routine. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice. Try to use one or two of them in a conversation this week. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll become. Thank you so much for learning with me today. This is English Unleashed, and I'm Tom. Keep learning, keep listening, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel English Glow for more lessons just like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.